Mr. President, distinguished delegates, it is for me a great honor and a privilege to address to this August Assembly in my capacity both as the current chairman of the Organization of African Unity and also as head of state of the Somali Democratic Republic. The evil forces of colonialism and racism still remain to be most pressing problem facing both the Organization of African Unity and the United Nations. The struggle against colonialism and racism discriminations in southern Africa and elsewhere has long presented a challenge to all men of goodwill. The major initiative taken by the African members of the United Nations in keeping this issue before the consciousness of the world has been an important factor in establishing their prominence in international affairs. But the campaign against the colonialism and racism discrimination is a world responsibility, not just as an African responsibility. For the evils which the campaign seeks to eliminate run counter to basic principle of the Charter of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The dramatic development in situations in Southern Africa brought about by the change of government of Portugal should elicit the support and the sympathy of the world community. These developments have opened the way for extensive progress to be made towards the fulfillment of the long-standing goals of the World Organization in its pursuit of peace, justice, and freedom. The leaders of the new Portuguese regime are to be congratulated for realizing the futility of colonial war, in recognizing the sovereignty of Guinea-Bissau, full and orderly independence for Mozambique in June 1975. And the case of Zimbabwe, the genuine political representative of the people, are either in prison. The illegality of Israel's occupation of Arab territory is compounded by her active promotion of permanent Israel settlements on the Golan Heights, the West Bank of Jordan, in the Gaza Strip, and the Sinai Peninsula. In a policy of open expansionism, more settlements of Israel have been established on occupied Arab territories since 1967 than in Israel itself. Israel has also made no secret of its intention to annex Jerusalem and to alter the demographic and the Arab character of the city. But